You like chili, right?
Yes.
I put chili for you, even I don't like. It's okay. And again, our food is special today. We have okra with chicken liver.
My first time
And
taste
Esther,
okra.
Esther never in her life eat okra. I don't know why. In Kenya, maybe no okra.
There is, but it's my first time.
What?
Yeah.
It's first time in your life?
Yes. I'm tasting today.
I don't know what happened. Why she always not eating our food. Let's eat. Wait, we need the spoon for this. We are free today. Not today, just now. No one in the house. We can shout.
You can shout, you can sleep.
We can shout now. We are free now. After like 1 hour finish.
The calling starts.
Queen and king, they will come. You know, there's no sauce, but I put more because I know that you like sauce.
Yeah, I like you notice.
It should be
Dry.
It should be this food dry.
I like, by the way, I see you now. You know my taste. First of all, let me taste okra.
See what is the okra. What do you think? And 10% how much is nice?
The food is no, I'm rating you. The food is very nice, but okra it's my first time eating. It's like in my country there is leaves. It's like leaves, but we eat with
Look here.
ugali. It's called morenda. It's like this.
Moringa.
Morenda.
Moringa.
Not moringa. Morenda.
What is the color?
There is mori. It's green. It's
And
like
small
vegetable.
Small.
Not the circle one, but it's like I will show you. I don't know.
I think look here.
And it's like this.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
That we ate the other day. Last time. I cook. Chop.
I didn't. I was not here. It's like that. It's tasting like that, and it's good. It's
Slimy.
Yeah. Huh?
Slimy. Moringa. Not moringa. Look here.
I don't
In
know.
English.
What? You eat that also?
I cook,
It's
but
good.
but I tell you spinach. This is it. It's shiny. It's slimy.
But that one is like this.
Yeah.
It's like mucus.
If you put lemon, it will not like this.
I don't know.
Because I put lemon.
Hello. And it's very healthy.
Yeah. In Philippines also we eat that with like this. Because we are not putting lemon here. They put lemon. That's why it's not slimy.
The food is nice. And it tastes good also. The cooking. I take picture every time
You
for
see?
remembrance.
See, I told that I have to make diet because all the punches. But unless that Easter here, no diet.
Unless I go.
When Esther go, I will make diet.
Unless I go. She's still eating. And she's on the diet.
And if the food like this, finish, no diet. Yeah, it's yummy.
But you see,
You know, first time
I'm blood group. Oh, and I have to eat too much okra. I see that in. Now, from now I'll be eating these things.
You know, first time I cook the okra like this. I cook okra in different, like fish.
How else can you cook this okra? Can you put onion
Put
and
squash.
tomato?
Put squash.
What is squash?
You don't know squash?
No.
Pumpkins?
Oh,
You don't know pumpkins?
I know.
Let
But
the
you use
smaller pumpkins or squash?
I know all is pumpkin.
The zucchini,
Mm.
kusa zucchini like this. Pumpkins, squash like this. Pumpkins like this.
I don't know the difference.
When you see like this, pumpkins big,
Mm.
squash smaller, but they are all the same.
I'm learning too much. I'm in the class.
I put shell flakes, but I think it will be better taste.
But bringing the taste to become good.
And this only onion, garlic. First the liver I cook with oil to make it crispy without something. Finish
Like
wash.
frying.
Finish wash, I leave in a pan and all the water gone. When the water gone, I put oil. You see it's crispy at the back.
Yeah.
So the liver, it will not quickly damage. Because liver
Because it will.
easy to cook quick. When it's like crispy, remove from the pan. The pan don't wash. Still the taste there. You put oil again, little bit. You put the onion and garlic until it's brown. After brown, put the okra. When the okra, you put paprika, black pepper, magic cubes.
Okra, should you boil?
As much what you can, kind of spices you put. You
Okra.
can put.
You boil okra or you just put directly without boiling?
No boiling. After put spices, you put water. Let it boil to become soft. After soft, I put the liver.
I like it. I've never tasted, but I like it. And there is the tall one.
There is okra also good.
Yeah, because I have never seen this small. I see the tall one.
Like this okra in Philippines.
Yeah.
If you take like this,
It's not ready.
no, we will not take like this because we know after it is coming big.
Oh yeah, because me I know when it's. You see this one is small, but.
But here, you can buy small like this, you can buy like this. Yes, I don't know why they don't leave it big.
To become ready. Maybe they don't want it to spoil or become.
But
overgrown.
I like this. I like this
The short one.
Oh my God, yummy.
Too much. I really miss this food though.
Especially the okra.
It's good.
Yeah. You know, you can cook same like this. You can put fish, fried fish. You can put.
What if you don't have meat?
You can put
How can
meat.
you cook
You
with
can
that?
put meat.
What if you don't have any kind
I
of
think
meat?
you put only like that. It's
Only
one-
onion and
Yes.
can you put tomato?
Yeah. You can. I put soy sauce.
Ah.
Magic cubes. I didn't make video because I was doing live.
Ah. But you have another one. The one I uploaded yesterday. You are making okra.
No, that was different. I have same like this. Upload chicken.
Oh.
No liver. They are
Yes,
same
we-
procedure.
Oh yeah, because I see it yesterday. I uploaded it yesterday.
Okra with chicken. Because this we call adobo. Adobo, it means there is soy sauce on it.
Mm. Yummy.
So he likes also chicken liver.
Without okra.
Alone.
Like only the one, like the way you cooked before, without putting anything.
Yeah.
I even made it. So we eat like that with ugali. The one I showed you, the white one.
The bread.
No, ugali. The one I showed you last time. I didn't show you. It's like flour you do like this, yeah. It's like samorin, but you cook it until it becomes.
Ugali. I forgot the food.
Come, I show you the one I was telling you, morenda.
What is that?
The one I was telling you, it tastes like like okra.
See?
That one.
Ah,
You know that one?
look here. This is it. I told you. Look, it's that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
You ate here before, but I tell you spinach.
Oh, I didn't know. That one. It's tasting like that.
Yes. Like this.
And it's very healthy also.
In our backyard, in Philippines, there's a lot backyard.
This one is very good.
It's rainy day. It's coming just
It's grow alone.
no one plucked it. We call it Nokia in English. What you call it?
In Kiswahili, morenda.
Morenda.
Morenda. Yeah. In my country, we call it that.
In Philippines, too much talking, but in Tagalog, saluyo. Saluyo.
You know, since I come here, I add weight.
How much?
3
3?
kg.
3?
Yeah.
Wow!
Eating too much.
But it's not showing. Not showing you gain weight.
But I take weight every day.
When you came, how much are you?
51.
Now.
54.
Wow, congrats.
54.30.
Congrats.
I tell you, if I stay here for 6 months, they will not know me. You can't notice because I have this baggy, but if I wear something tight, I'll know.
I was thinking I cook wrong, but it's good. We have having fun our food. If Esther here, I eat a lot. I cook a lot.
Even me.
I cook a lot because I'm thinking Esther, she can't eat our food, but me no problem. That's why when Madam gave us money, we buy okra. I tell to Madam buy okra because Madam said, Army, what do you want food for you and Esther? Okay, buy us okra, chicken liver. After she can't find in Talabat chicken liver, so I bought in Lulu this. But she paid, not my money.
What?
Because every time I buy my food for me, she said that she will pay, not don't take
You're not
my
the one?
money. Yeah, she told me that like that. So
Madam is very good.
every time I buy food, I take from her money.
Wow.
The one also, the ampalaya, the better guard, still there. We can cook with tuna. Remember the tuna that I have here?
Yeah, the one we buy.
But you know, this is ready to eat.
Huh?
But if you want to cook some other menu, this is Filipino food. Filipino hot and spicy afritada. Afritada, the one that we make with pork chicken. Afritada. This mechado and flex and oil. Next week, or I don't know, next week or this week we gonna cook some.
Oh. Sometimes me in supermarket, I can see things and just go like this one. Now I tried and I feel it's good. Now I can't leave them.
Yeah, you know this
What?
okra, just 5 real. You can buy in frozen. You have fridge in your accommodation.
Yeah.
Oh, you can buy 2. They are cheap, not expensive. 5, I think 5 or 8 real, something like this. But I saw 5 real. The chicken liver, it's a little bit expensive. I think it's 15 real. So 20 real, you have your food.
Yeah.
And you're satisfied.
Yeah, very much.
Because one chicken, there is one liver only. So it's hard to find a lot of chicken liver.
Yeah.
I think
Take
this
too much chicken too.
I think this 15 pieces of liver. You see, 15 pieces of liver, 15 chicken.
Yeah.
That's why expensive. And this, when I found it, only one. That's why when I see, I take it again. Maybe somebody will take. So that is our story for today. We have Marites, and every time we discovered a new food, and I let Esther to eat. So when she come back to Kenya, she gonna miss me. Army teaching me how to cook this.
I'll miss the food, but I'll try. I will teach myself how to do it.
You should learn how to cook Filipino food, so you let your family
I will
taste.
be watching your videos and buy everything and
Yes.
do.
Because this you have in your country.
Mm.
You have this in country, okra.
Yeah.
Oh, see? I think the okra there it's stolen. But you know, tall is better than small.
They taste the same.
The taste the same, yeah. But now, small is small I like, not long. Bye.
Bye bye.